Hey, welcome back. So guys, as part of the previous session, we have seen a multi-tap. As part of the today's session, let us see how exactly we can perform a long press operation. See, the simple thing that you need to do here is for this a long press, whenever you are just giving it an element, right, automatically it will be performing a long press operation. Or you can pass on this particular coordinates, or also you can pass on a specific duration, how many milliseconds you want to perform this long press operation. Okay, so press during this particular time in a milliseconds, which is an optional. So what I'm doing here is for the same UI kit catalog application itself, for the same stepper itself, whenever I press a long press on this, it's performing the clicking operation on that increment button. So let us see how exactly we can deal with it. So copy this line of a code, comment it, put it back here, perform long press operation. Okay, perform a long press operation. And I don't want this particular one. So here at this particular element, I just want to do a long press operation. I want to do a long press operation on a particular index like this. And also for a decrement operation, I want to do a long press operation for 1000 milliseconds. That's it. So this is what I want to do right now, guys. The long press without specifying any coordinates or any time, and the long press with specifying this particular time interval we are trying to perform this operation. So let me try to run this particular program and check it out. So guys, you may ask me a question, Surendra, why are you creating a multiple tests in a single file itself? Why can't you create a multiple files? Of course, guys, depending on our requirement, we can create a multiple files also, but I was just going with a single file itself, and in that single file I'm creating a multiple test. It's up to you. If at all you want to create a multiple JS files, you can create those many JS files, but this is the way how exactly we can perform a long press operation directly. If you leave it, automatically it's performing a long press, and even if you click on a specific time interval, also it's performing the long press operation as per that particular time interval itself. Okay, perfectly all right. So this is the way how exactly we can deal with a long press. See you again in the next session with a small example. Thank you.